Hello my friends, sometimes the blacks in our graphite drawings don't look black, like in the Falcon on the left. Today I will show you how to remedy that and how to draw a Peregrine Falcon. Let's begin sketching the general shape of the head and of the body with a mechanical pencil or a regular pencil. Let's loosely mark the thickness of the body and then the hooked beak. Like so. Maybe it is a little bit too wide. That's better. And the eye. They have really large eyes. One wing and the other one. And we sketch the legs. Once we have the general shape, we can refine it a little bit. And more precisely. Like the head should have been slightly bigger and the upper area generally wider. When we try to make a really dark black with graphite pencils and we push them hard, what happens is that they get shiny, a bit reflective, which can be annoying. And the darks never really look black, since the graphite is grayish. By the way, as you saw, I erased the lines that we don't need anymore, and I keep giving detail and refining the little forms. And now I begin shading with the mechanical pencil, but only the areas that will not be black. And I leave a slight thin reflection on the right of the beak. And for the true blacks, I use this carbon pencil, like for the black of the eye. But let's not forget to leave a small white reflection to give it some life. And I will also use it for the black feathers, since this pencil is really black. The core of the carbon pencils is made out of a mixture of both graphite and charcoal powder, which is compressed and held together with a binder. The good news is that you can use both graphite and carbon or charcoal in the same drawing. And yes, I forgot to tell you, instead of carbon pencils, you can also use charcoal for the real blacks. The only thing to consider is that the charcoal runs and smears a lot more, which you may or may not like. The list of materials I used for this project is in the description below the video. This type of bird has black feathers on the head that look like a helmet. And then the body is light, but it has black dots on it. And the wings on the top side are also black. They have very strong feet and claws. The feet don't have feathers and the claws are very large for its size. The Peregrine Falcon is amazing. It is the fastest animal on Earth. During their high-speed hunting dives, they can reach 320 kilometers an hour, which is 200 miles. With their highest ever recorded speed at 389 kilometers an hour, which is 242 miles per hour. And they can fly horizontally at about 200 kilometers, which is about 120 miles. Of course, they are specially designed to be able to breathe and see at this speed. The light shading and the precision work, we can do it better with the graphite, while for the roughness of the rock, I chose the carbon pencil. The paper that I am using has a fine grain to it, which is great for drawing. We give it the last touches and it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, share it to your friends and subscribe to fine art tips. And I will see you on Tuesday.